Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Brazil, local and long-distance movers near me. When hiring moving companies, it's critical to ensure that they have the necessary equipment and follow industry best practices. When it comes to relocating you, our movers generally live in the areas in which they operate, which gives them an advantage over competitors. Our movers will wrap up all your belongings to ensure their safety during the transfer, which will take place in one of our clean, well-equipped moving vans. We also make sure to protect customers' goods during transportation. Our highly trained move teams have all passed background checks, providing you with the assurance that your valuables will be safe throughout the entire moving process. Additionally, every member of our team is a full-time, highly trained professional who is committed to providing you with the most satisfying movie experience possible. Are you concerned about the costs associated with the relocation? Allow our customer service representatives to walk you through the options in saving money while still receiving the high-quality service you've grown accustomed to from 3 Movers. In general, long-distance moves cost more than local moves. Our company charges between $30 and $40 an hour, and our movers can assist you with the smooth and timely relocation, even through Brazil's bustling streets. Additionally, this is a low-cost technique, and our low prices don't detract from our service's high quality. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brazil moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.